Once upon a time, in the heart of the magical jungle, there lived a curious little monkey named Milo. One day, Milo encountered a tiny mouse named Mira. Mira was lost and needed help finding her way back home. Together, Milo and Mira set off on a thrilling adventure, navigating through the dense jungle, overcoming obstacles, and making new friends along the way. As they journeyed deeper into the jungle, Milo and Mira discovered the true meaning of friendship. They laughed together, helped each other, and shared magical moments. But their adventure wasn't without challenges. They encountered a mischievous snake blocking their path, and Milo had to use his clever tricks to outsmart it. In the end, Milo and Mira reached the heart of the jungle, where Mira found her way home. The friends said their goodbyes, promising to meet again in the magical jungle. And so, Milo and Mira's adventure became a cherished tale in the magical jungle, a story of friendship, courage, and the beauty of unexpected connections.